You asked for it, here is it. No boring advice here. If you are over 40 and dreaming of a fresh start abroad, this video will show you how to land a caregiver job in Canada and fast track your way to permanent residency. Stay tuned, this might change your life. Hey Peace Traveler, my name is Peace. I'm welcoming all amazing souls over 40 who are seeking more than just a job. A new beginning in a country that values your life experience. Today, we are diving into Canada's caregiver visa-sponsored roles. We will explore pathways, real steps, salary expectations, and how your maturity is your competitive edge. Canada faces a growing demand for personal support workers and home caregivers thanks to an aging population. That's why programs like the Home Support Worker Pilot and Home Childcare Provider Pilot offer visa sponsorship and a direct pathway to permanent residency, even if you have no prior abroad experience. Canadians strongly value life experience and compassion. You are not just a hire, you are a life-changing presence. You are over 40? Perfect. You don't need a degree, high school or equivalent, but some basic caregiving training, some experience, paid or voluntary. That is it. You also need basic English or French language skills, often CLB 5 to 6. Did not go to college? No problem. Employer-specific training and on-the-job learning are common. Home Support Worker Pilot. Work in elder care, assisted living, etc. You also receive employer-specific work permits, spouse open work permits, and study permits for dependent children. Home Child Care Provider Pilot. Similar but focused on under 18 care. Why they matter? They are occupation specific, not tied to one employer, giving you flexibility and security. The following steps is what you need to do. Secure a job offer from a Canadian employer. Submit work permit application with medical, police checks. Land in Canada, start working. After 2 years, you may apply for PR. If you are new here, you are very much welcome. My name is Peace, and on this channel, I share everything relocation that will help you live, work and study abroad. Okay, by the end of this video, I'll also share a valuable link where you can access all this information firsthand. Okay, without further ado, let's see why the over 40s are at advantage in this particular video. Your life experience is gold. Maturity and emotional intelligence, real world caregiving like kids, parents, some even grandparents, reliability and work ethic. Plus, working in Canada gives you employer-based support, free healthcare, and a rich social environment. Many matured caregivers tell me it's a profoundly rewarding chapter in their lives. Caregiver wages range from 20 to 28 Canadian dollar an hour, depending on province. With full-time hours, that's Canadian dollars 40k to 55k per year, plus potential free accommodation in some roles. Yes. So this is the cost to consider, okay? Your visa fee is probably around 1,000 to 515 Canadian dollars. Health exams, police checks, travel, and also initial setup costs, okay? For the living cost in moderate and mid-sized cities, big bonuses, excellent public services, and safe, peaceful community. Meet Linda, 45, from the UK. She trained part-time, got a PSW job in Ontario through the pilot, and arrived with her husband and teen daughter. After 20 months, she got PR. Now she works in home care and her daughter is in college. She said, "My age was never a barrier. It was an asset." I saw that somewhere, so I thought to share here. Okay, so step by step how to apply. This is the main deal, right? So either you're going to screenshot this, or you bookmark this video, or you share this video so you can always come back and note down the points. Okay, number 1, get certified in basic caregiving online or community college. Okay, I'm afraid I can't share courses in the Canada because I'm in the UK, so I only share free healthcare courses in the UK. But if you want me to make a research about courses that I can do for free, specifically for caregiving, let me know in the comment section. Just say yes please, courses for Canada. Okay. 2. Polish resume. You have to highlight empathy and your real life care. Apply via job boards, example in Indeed Canada, canadiancaregivers.com, or direct to agency. Don't worry, in this channel I am very different. I will give you links on where to apply to these jobs. Okay, I do half of the work for you so that all you just need for you to plug in and get started. Okay, if you found value in my channel, please give this video a like, share my videos to as many as possible, subscribe if you have not already done so. Okay, stay plugged in. Once you are hired, gather documents like passports, education, police checks, medical exams. Okay, then submit the work permit application via IRCC. Then when you arrive, begin working, open bank account and apply for SIN. Okay, then you maintain your status, then apply for PR under the pilot after 24 months. Okay, so let me actually address frequently common asked questions. Okay, so you might probably say, what if I'm over 50? Because when I said I want to be publishing a video for the over 40s, I saw something that said that over 50s. Okay, so no problem at all. Canada values life experience and the process is the same. Okay, just apply. Okay, and what about your language is weak? You only need CLB 5. That's all that is required, and generous allowance for matured applicants. Okay, and your spouses also work? Like most of you will say, can I join my family? Yes, spouses open work permit included in the pilot. So they are migrating to the Canada to that country, Canada. You are not going alone. Your spouses and your children can go with you. Okay, so this is more than a job. It's a peaceful, purposeful new chapter in Canada. And yes, over 40 is exactly the right time. If you are ready to explore this path, I have all the toolkits you need. Tap the link in the pinned comment to grab your free checklist and subscribe for more visa sponsored job guides. Until next time, I am sending love from Peace Travels and Job. Jesus loves you very much and I do so too. I am rooting for you. Until next time, bye for now.